Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz channel. The Kawasaki Z900RS and Z900RS Cafe are not just motorcycles, they're rolling tributes to the golden era of motorcycling, reimagined with a modern twist. These bikes are designed for those who admire the charm of classic styling but crave the performance of modern machines. Inspired by the legendary Kawasaki Z1 of the 1970s, the Z900RS and its Cafe sibling deliver a powerful blend of retro aesthetic and contemporary engineering that captures both attention and hearts. Under the timeless exterior lies a 948 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-four engine, derived from the aggressive Z900 naked bike. Tuned for smoother power delivery and rich mid-range torque, the Z900RS offers a riding experience that feels effortless yet thrilling. Whether you're cruising through the city or carving up winding mountain roads, the engine responds with linear precision and a deep, satisfying exhaust note that adds character to every ride. The Z900RS Cafe sets itself apart with its Cafe racer styling, highlighted by a more aggressive riding position, a distinctive front cowl, and drop-style handlebars. It gives off a sportier vibe without sacrificing comfort. Meanwhile, the standard Z900RS maintains a more upright position, ideal for relaxed cruising. Both models feature assist and slipper clutches, which make shifting smoother and more forgiving, especially for newer riders or during aggressive downshifts. In terms of technology, Kawasaki has done an excellent job blending classic looks with modern features. A fully digital LCD screen is cleverly integrated between analog-style speedometer and tachometer dials. Both models also feature traction control, ABS, and LED lighting, providing confidence and safety without compromising the bike's vintage appeal. It's a seamless integration that appeals to both purists and modern-day enthusiasts. Handling is another area where the Z900RS shines. With its tubular trellis frame, adjustable suspension, and sporty yet stable chassis, the bike offers exceptional ride quality and nimble maneuverability. Whether you're leaning into tight corners or enjoying a smooth highway cruise, it remains composed and connected. The brakes, courtesy of dual front discs with radial mount calipers, provide solid stopping power and great feedback. Comfort and ergonomics are carefully considered in both variants. The seat is well padded and contoured for long rides, while the foot peg position strikes a balance between sporty and relaxed. Despite its retro vibe, the Z900RS is built with all the refinement expected from a modern Kawasaki, including impressive build quality, beautiful paint finishes, and an overall fit and finish that screams premium. Now let's talk about price. The 2025 Kawasaki Z900RS starts at around $12,149, while the Z900RS Cafe variant is priced slightly higher at approximately $12,499. For what you get, a perfect harmony of nostalgia, performance, and everyday usability, these bikes offer excellent value. Whether you're a returning rider reminiscing about your first bike or a younger enthusiast looking for style with substance, the Z900RS lineup delivers a unique experience that's hard to match in today's motorcycle market.